all clear. So now this engine should run theoretically perfectly, YouTube. I got my neighbor Kenny Ken over here with me. Say what's up, Kenny?
What up, what up, what up?
Hey man, he's recording and we're gonna get a true sound test. A true sound test of what this engine's supposed to sound like, YouTube. Are y'all ready? All right, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna crank it up. YouTube. This your boy Tony coming back at y'all, man. One more again with another great video, YouTube. Just want to give y'all an update, man, on these 72 Convertible Impala. But first, I just want to tell everybody that's viewing this video, man, you know, especially for the last couple weeks, I've been communicating. I've been actually talking with people. And I've gained a lot of subscribers over the past couple weeks. I just want to tell y'all, man, I really thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. I thank you for your support. I thank you for taking the opportunity to even speak with a stranger. I just really thank you. I just want to let you guys know that my prayers are with you all. My prayers are with every last single one of you. Even if I didn't talk to you and somebody shared this video with you or shared the YouTube channel with you, my prayers are still with you. My prayers are with everybody. And for my Hispanic community, mucho gracias for your support. I appreciate it, man. And I just want to tell everybody, man, I pray that God blesses them. It don't have to be working on a car. It don't have to be building a car, doing the things that you guys see me doing. But it could be doing whatever God has placed on your heart to do. It might be starting a business for somebody. It might be the growth of your business. It might be a dream house. It might be another obtaining a dream car. But I'm here to encourage you. I'm here to motivate you and let you know that all things are possible. Everything is possible in Christ Jesus. So just continue to put God first. Continue to pray and know that you got strangers out here in the world like me that are praying for you, that are praying with you. Some of the people I met, I prayed with. I prayed with people, pray for people, you know. We just have to be obedient as children of God. So YouTube, I just want to thank y'all again, man, and I love y'all. All right, let's get to it. There it is right there, YouTube. Pretty much, I have been having some issues with it running. It cranks, it runs, it idles, but a couple of the cylinders are misfiring. Let me show y'all, man. So on the handheld right here, Phytech unit, y'all can see, man, them it's getting a 204 and 208 on injector 4 and injector 8. And I tried to clear it. And every time I clear it, it comes back. So I'm not even cranking the car and it's just getting a code. See, injector 4, injector 8. So pretty much, let me explain the troubleshooting steps that I have taken so far. So what I did, injector 4 and injector 8 is actually cylinder number 2, which is in the front on that side, and number 3. It goes by firing order. And what I've done so far is I swapped the injectors. I swapped the injectors that it was throwing a code on. I swapped them out with some of the other ones, and it's still giving me the code. So that let me know the injector is not the problem. Okay, and then the second thing I did, you got a sub harness here that connects to the main harness right there. And what I did is I disconnected the one from that side, plugged it in over here, and took this one and put it over there. Same code. Same code, YouTube. Same code. So now, what I just got finished doing is I tested the voltage on a working one, and I'm getting like 3 volts on the colored side, and I'm getting 12 volts on that side. And what I did is check both voltages from a working injector and a non-working injector. And actually, number 1, it was actually alerting on number 1 too. But I figured out what the problem is. These connectors, originally when I was first trying to get it started, I tested voltage in here, and I stuck the ohm meter down in there. And what happened is it's loosened up in there, and it's not getting a good connection when I plug it on the injector. It's not getting a good connection in there. And so it's alerting to the computer that it's not firing. And so what I did to this first one is I just took the little cap off, and I put a little piece of aluminum foil down in each side of the connector. And guess what happened? Magic. The code cleared up because it's making contact with the injector like it's supposed to. This is just a temporary fix. The permanent fix is, okay, let me take the connector apart, see if I can bend the connector back right, put it back together, or just get a new connector harness. Not a whole harness, but just a new fuel injector connector itself. But I think this is gonna do the trick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other 2 cylinders that it's alerting on. Then we're gonna fire this puppy up and see what it sounds like, YouTube. All right, we'll be back in a minute, YouTube. Later. All right, YouTube, I'm back. Got all the little connectors fixed on the fuel injectors here. And yeah, all the codes are clear now. I'm not getting no alert on injector 1, 4, or 8 anymore. So it's all clear. So now this engine should run theoretically perfectly, YouTube. I got my neighbor Ken over here with me. Say what's up, Kenny?
What up?
Hey man, he's recording, and we're gonna get a true sound test. A true sound test of what this engine's supposed to sound like, YouTube. Are y'all ready? All right, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Crank it up.